Today's Tacomaholic quick tip involves changing out the battery in your key fob. So without further ado, let's play just the tip.
Yes.
Welcome back to the channel, everybody. If this is your first time stopping by and you love everything Tacoma related, don't forget to subscribe now. And all you need to do to perform this quick tip is a small flathead screwdriver and one steady hand. And before we get started with the key fob, yes, you too can pick up a Tacomaholic key tag or lanyard at the Tacomaholic shop, linked right below. Okay guys, this is a very simple procedure. If you need to crack open the key fob, this should work for any second-gen Tacoma. And literally I did the same thing on my wife's Camry. Most Toyotas using this style key fob will follow the same procedure. So if you need to change the battery in this, if it's dead, or if you need to disassemble this, maybe you're going with the new injection fob cases, which I really need to jump on. I'm sort of sick of this boring case. So it will apply for that. All you need to do, you take your small flathead screwdriver about this size. Mine looks like it's about a 1/4 inch long.
That's what she said.
And if you flip the key fob over, if this is going to show up on camera, there is a small indentation right here. Just stick the screwdriver in there and twist it laterally. It should pop off. This will separate out into two pieces. This is just a plastic cover. And if you have this oriented so the buttons are already facing down, you don't have to worry about any of this falling off. There is the battery right there. This whole piece with the plastic or rubber surround does come loose, but you can just leave it in there. Take your screwdriver again and carefully pry. It's being held in by these 3 tabs right here. So just stick the screwdriver behind one of those and sort of lever it out. The battery starts coming free, then you can just slide it free and go ahead and swap in a new battery. If you don't know the size of these batteries, I'll put that on the screen now, and I'll put a link for these down in the description below. I believe these are the same size batteries for most watches, so pretty universal size. And once you slip the battery back in, make sure it goes all the way into those tabs right there. Take your case, orient it in the proper way. It's sort of like a teardrop shape. Get that lined up. Give it a nice firm press until you hear everything click. And you are good to go. Fresh battery for many years of unlocking pleasure. Alright guys, if you enjoyed this quick tip, Okay guys, if you enjoyed this Tacoma quick tip, don't forget to thumbs up the video and comment below. And if you'd like to see more of this series, check out the link right above. I will be attending the Overland Expo East event this Saturday. The event starts Friday through Sunday, but I'll be there on Saturday. It is in Arrington, Virginia, which is just about 2.5 hours from me. So if any of you will be attending, I hope to see you there. I don't have a booth or anything. I'll just be walking around with my GoPro and a white Tacomaholic t-shirt and probably this navy blue Tacomaholic hat. So if you're there, swing by, say hi. I'd love to chat with you. As always, thank you so much for supporting the channel by watching this video. Enjoy your upcoming weekend, and I'll see you in the next video.